In the world of digital business, there's one simple concept that can revolutionize the way you build wealth online. A concept that has been tested by countless entrepreneurs and proven to generate passive income. That concept? The funnel. If you're unfamiliar with it, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to create a digital wealth machine using a single funnel. And not just any funnel, but one that works tirelessly 24/7, generating leads, nurturing relationships, and driving sales on autopilot. Whether you're selling a course, coaching program, or digital product, a funnel is the backbone that can scale your business without you needing to be present every minute of the day. Today, we'll break down exactly what you need to know to create your own powerful sales funnel that generates consistent income while you sleep. We'll cover the psychology behind funnels, the different types, and the steps you need to take to build one that automates your business and fuels your wealth creation. So make sure to like this video and subscribe for more insights on digital wealth, online entrepreneurship, and making money on autopilot. Let's get started. 1. Understand the power of a funnel. A funnel is more than just a marketing tool. It's the key to automating your business and generating wealth without constantly hustling. At its core, a funnel is a series of steps designed to guide your potential customers toward a purchase. Think of it like a journey. Someone first discovers your offer, then gets nurtured through engaging content, and finally makes a decision to buy. The beauty of a funnel is that it works automatically, taking the pressure off you and allowing you to scale with ease. You set it up once, and it continues to do the work for you, day and night. But the power of a funnel lies in its structure. It's designed to be efficient and optimized, so you aren't wasting time or energy on cold leads who will never convert. By guiding your prospects through a carefully curated path, a funnel warms them up, builds trust, and increases the likelihood of a sale. It's not about pushing hard for a quick sale, but about creating a system that nurtures your audience into loyal, paying customers. This is how you turn a one-time buyer into a repeat customer and ultimately a brand advocate. 2. Choose the right funnel for your business. Not all funnels are created equal, and the right one for you will depend on your specific business model and goals. If you're selling a high-ticket product or service, you might want to start with a webinar funnel, where you offer a free training or webinar in exchange for an email address, and then sell your product at the end. If you're offering a low-ticket item, a simpler product launch funnel or a tripwire funnel could work better, where your goal is to offer a low-cost entry point that leads to higher-priced offers. The key is understanding which type of funnel aligns with what you're offering and where your customers are in their buying journey. For example, a lead magnet funnel works wonders for building your email list. You offer a free downloadable resource, like an ebook or checklist, in exchange for their email address, and then follow up with a series of emails designed to nurture the lead and eventually make a sale. A product launch funnel, on the other hand, is better suited for promoting a new product or service with a series of launch videos and scarcity tactics to create urgency. Picking the right funnel is critical for long-term success, so take the time to choose the one that best suits your product, audience, and goals. 3. Set up the right tools for your funnel. Creating a digital wealth machine requires the right tools to make everything run smoothly. You need a platform that can build your funnel, collect payments, send emails, and track your data. Some popular funnel builders like ClickFunnels, Kartra, or Leadpages offer all-in-one solutions, while others like WordPress combined with tools like Thrive Themes or Elementor can give you more flexibility. Choose a tool that fits your technical comfort level and the specific needs of your funnel. In addition to a funnel building platform, you'll need an email marketing tool to stay in touch with your leads and customers. Platforms like ConvertKit, MailChimp, and ActiveCampaign allow you to automate email sequences, segment your audience, and trigger specific actions based on user behavior. Think of these tools as your staff. They'll manage the day-to-day operations of your funnel while you focus on scaling. With the right tech stack in place, your funnel becomes a well-oiled machine working to make you money, even while you sleep. 4. Create a high-converting landing page. The first step in your funnel is your landing page, the page where visitors land and decide whether to take the next step or leave. This is your opportunity to grab attention, explain the benefits of your offer, and make a compelling case for why they should engage with your funnel. Your landing page should be clear, concise, and focused on one specific action, like signing up for a freebie, booking a call, or purchasing a product. Make sure your landing page speaks directly to your audience's pain points and offers a solution. Use strong copywriting, attention-grabbing headlines, and high-quality images or videos that enhance your message. Testimonials or social proof can also be powerful in persuading visitors that they are making the right decision. Don't try to overcomplicate things. Keep it simple and focused. A high-converting landing page doesn't need to be fancy. It needs to be clear, compelling, and easy to navigate. 5. Drive targeted traffic to your funnel. No matter how amazing your funnel is, it's useless without traffic. Driving targeted traffic to your funnel is the first step in converting leads into paying customers. There are many ways to drive traffic: organic methods like SEO, social media, and blogging, as well as paid methods like Facebook ads, Google ads, or influencer partnerships. The key is to drive the right traffic, the people who are most likely to engage with your offer and convert into customers. Start by identifying where your target audience hangs out online. Are they active on Facebook? Do they follow Instagram influencers in your niche? Are they searching for specific topics on Google? Once you know where your audience is, you can create content that drives them into your funnel. Whether it's a blog post, social media ad, or podcast episode, the goal is to create content that speaks directly to your audience's needs and interests, leading them to the first step of your funnel. 6. Create compelling lead magnets to capture your audience's attention and get them into your funnel. You need an irresistible lead magnet. This could be a free ebook, a checklist, a webinar, a video series, or a trial. The key is offering something of high perceived value in exchange for their contact information, typically an email address. Your lead magnet should solve a specific problem that your audience is facing and align with the larger offer you plan to sell them later in the funnel. The best lead magnets are those that offer immediate value and make your audience feel like they're getting something worthwhile. For example, if you're selling a course on time management, a free checklist with productivity hacks could be a great lead magnet. The goal is to get people into your funnel, where you can then nurture them with more content and ultimately convert them into customers. 7. Automate your follow-up sequence. Once someone enters your funnel, it's time to nurture them with automated follow-up sequences. These sequences consist of a series of emails that deliver value, build trust, and move your lead toward a purchase. Your emails should be engaging, helpful, and provide more insight into how your product or service can solve their problems. Over time, you'll introduce your main offer, but the goal is to first provide value and establish credibility. Make sure your follow-up emails are timely, personal, and aligned with the customer journey. A welcome email should set expectations, and subsequent emails should offer solutions, testimonials, and sneak peeks into your product. The beauty of automation is that it works on your behalf, keeping leads warm even when you're not actively engaged. This is the backbone of your digital wealth machine: consistent, automated communication that nurtures leads into paying customers. 8. Convert leads into customers with strategic offers. The most important step in your funnel is converting leads into paying customers. This is where the magic happens. As you move leads through your funnel, you'll present them with your core offer, whether it's a course, membership, coaching program, or digital product. But don't just throw an offer at them. Use strategic offers that speak to their pain points and present your solution as the ultimate answer. Offer bonuses, time-sensitive discounts, or limited time offer to create urgency. Use scarcity tactics like only 10 spots left or prices increase in 24 hours to motivate action. The goal is to make your offer irresistible and position it as something they can't afford to miss. And don't forget to make the checkout process simple and frictionless. If your funnel is easy to navigate, your chances of conversion increase dramatically. 9. Optimize and test your funnel. Once your funnel is up and running, it's time to optimize and test it for maximum performance. You should regularly review your funnel's metrics, conversion rates, click-through rates, email open rates, and sales, and look for areas where you can improve. Small tweaks can lead to massive improvements in conversion, so don't be afraid to experiment. Try different headlines, landing page designs, lead magnets, and email subject lines. So there you have it. What actually works when it comes to passive income in 2025? It's not about easy money, but about smart, strategic efforts that pay off over time. Whether you're building digital assets, automating your business, or investing in real estate and stocks, the right strategies will help you build wealth that works for you while you sleep. If you enjoyed this video and want more content on digital wealth building and automation, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.